guys, make sure you help me out. Make sure you subscribe and turn notifications on. Thank you. And also, before we get started, so like you said, guys, I've hooked some of you guys up with free skins and Fortnite items. So don't forget to miss out. Tell me your Epic Games ID. Thank you. So I don't know about you, but I really like what's it? Liberty in games. Just wait for it to load, and I'm not even going to say it as Flip. I said it. And I have got a new YouTube pod, guys. So YouTube Office. Don't know why I'm calling it pod all the time. So my desk arrived yesterday, guys. And how are you guys doing? Yeah. So thank you all your OG subscribers, the people who subscribed at the very start of my YouTube channel when I only uploaded 2 on the same day. Now I upload like 4 on the same day. Yeah. Truffle 101. But like this one's a different one that I'm publishing today. Sorry guys. Because I got locked out, so I just need ED Game to help me with this one. So yeah. Oh my god. Soon I will do another live stream. You guys, I do like 1 live stream a day. Okay, that's freaking me out. Come on, hurry up! I want to kill this guy. Yeah, this guy. Oh, it's a cop. I'm not going to mess with him. Let's put my hands up. He's messing with the medic. Hey, he's just cheating because, like, he's just checking if you have a gun or not. He's just really cheating, like what the heck? Right, this guy's a gun, yeah, go. You know, I do have a cop, to be honest. I can't really say anything. Yeah, it's anything like, oh my god, shut up, I gotta get out of here. I am saving up for 30 grand, guys. Let's put indicators on. There we go. I'm still recording. Yeah. Right, let's go through the red light. Let's go through the red light. Cool. There's one way to do some police patrols, just for me. You know what? Because loads of people have been saying they want me to do it. Screw guys. Well, we do. You know what? I'm just going to leave the game. Finally, at least I could be a rescue or something. I try joining them in a minute, guys. Wait, am I even? Yes, there you go, you guys. So, guys, station. I fancy driving the SUV. Depends if I got any new cars or not. Okay, this guy's so I could buy this if I got 30,000, but let's have a look. No, I don't think that's working now. Got this, but like, what if it's a fire? Yeah, so let's go this. Sorry guys, I got like, I hate the new siren dispatch thing. Right, it's called dispatch. We're available for calls. Right, I'm available for calls 10-8. Transmit. If you're wondering what that means, if you're wondering what transmit means, that I think that means you can type, but and then it'll show so you don't have to do the radio, which is on scene, available en route. But it sounds like en route, just saying. That's what you need to fit. I think I know why they do that, because you're not really allowed to say en route, so it wouldn't let you on Roblox, I'm not sure. Indicators on, because I've got to drive one every day. Every day. Someone said the 1020 is on 5 partner. I'm not going to put sound because it's probably someone faking. Like, that's annoying. See what's happening on the police server. Yay, I'm nearly fire. What's it called? Firefighter. Hopefully. I'm at the hospital, that's a place, isn't it? Look. Custody, code 1.